So that they pay.
We're on engine duty today. God, I look rough, don't I? I need to get them sorted out. Just waiting for the old man to show up.
Workshop tour. You guys want to see the workshop?
The Drag Bike, Season 2, Episode 1.
Secret build for Season 3.
Another secret build for Season 3.
Hide it, hide it, hide it.
A Ducati that has sat for about 6 months and hasn't been touched. Ducati scrapyard of all bikes that are waiting to be built.
Midnight. Mama.
A Fat Boy Harley in for a service. We have Ruby from Season 1. We have Fanta.
She's hiding.
Seb's Harley from Season 2. We have a Fireblade, a Ducati, another Harley Davidson.
This is Trickler, the fatty tickler.
One of my favourites. With flavourlets.
He's one of my favourites. I love this bike, it's so sick. It's so cool. This was a quick flips episode. We'll post the link below. It wasn't very quick. Whoa! And then we have a bench just full of parts and stuff going on. Complete chaos over here. Oh, ooh.
Carrying on when we carrying on with this.
Then we have an upstairs. Balancer machine, tyre machine, kitchen. Hello. The lathe.
This is a 1941 lathe, served its service in the world,
It did.
built us bombs and bullets.
It did, and she's awesome. We make all of our wheel spacers and everything on it. And this is the workshop. 2 sides, this being the newer side. This whole workshop was built in Season 2. We'll post another link below. It's still actually unfinished. So this is a 1000cc multi-strada engine, Ducati engine. We've got the belt system, the crank running up to the camshafts that work the valves. Clutch goes in here, we've got a real fancy clutch going in here. V-twin motor, oil cooled. Should be plenty fast enough for the project we're doing. Looking forward to getting in the bike, getting it up and running.
Do you know what I didn't do this morning?
What?
Have a poo.
You didn't have a poo this morning?
No.
Oh no, we're in trouble today.
Good speech though about the engine.
Thanks. I think he's being sarcastic, isn't he? I'm just trying to tell people about stuff, but I don't know what I'm talking about, so it's hard, alright? Excuse the, and if there's any language or any, yeah.
Work no more. That's it.
Right. We have a 24-hour challenge. I'm going to pack this bag with everything the old man needs to make a vlog video. And we're going to give him 24 hours to make the video. Then we're going to sit down, go through all the footage, make a vlog video, and then post it online.
So you've got to take the top off like that. So when
you get further down,
you flip it over, push it in there, and it keeps your biscuits fresh.
Ah, see, I always used to sacrifice one biscuit. and let it go off, and then it's saved the rest of them.
Why would you sacrifice a biscuit
When you can do that.
when you can do that?
So he needs 24 hours worth of batteries. We've got a GoPro. We need that camera we're filming on now. We'll give him a stand. Just pack this camera up. Leave that there. Bags packed, ready to go. Just waiting for the old man to show up. We've got a bag down here, which is for you.
Yes.
In there is everything you need, and for the next 24 hours, you are now vlogging.
Does it tell you, does that red light say it's recorded?